It's a great day at Western GMC Buick, located on the corner of 184th Street and Stony Plain Rd in Edmonton. Today we're looking at the 2021 GMC Acadia Denali. We'll start by taking a look inside the front of the Acadia. On the driver's door, power locks, power windows, power adjustable mirrors. We've also got the programmable memory seat, auto express windows, and the child lock button. Down below, the power lift gate, and this Denali comes with a premium Bose sound system. Here we have the power adjustable driver's seat with lumbar support, Denali badging in both headrests, front and rear sunroof. To the left of the steering wheel, we've got the telescopic steering wheel button, the heads-up display button, and some lighting buttons and dials. Next, we'll climb in and take a look at the leather-wrapped heated steering wheel. On the left side are the cruise control buttons with forward collision alert. And on the right side, we've got the audio buttons. This is the digital dash. We're able to scroll through the dash by using the arrow buttons located on the steering wheel. Up above is the programmable garage door opener, power sunroof buttons, and OnStar. This is the rear view mirror camera. We're able to change that view back to normal by flicking the switch at the bottom of the screen. Here we have GMC's Infotainment Center with Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. This screen displays the outside temperature, the time, and it's also equipped with navigation. And it doubles as our backup camera. We're able to change the camera view by pushing the buttons located at the bottom of the screen. Dual climate control buttons with air conditioning, park reverse drive buttons, some USB and power plug-ins. This is the wireless charging pad. Place your phone on the charging pad and it will charge your phone for you. Automatic stop start, traction control, hazard lights, and park assist. Heated and cooled front leather seats, lane departure alert, two-wheel drive, four-wheel drive, sport mode, and off-road mode. At the front of the Denali, we've got that unique Denali grille. Embedded in the grille is the front camera, fog lights, 20-inch aluminum wheels, a 3.6-liter V6 engine under the hood. The side mirrors have side blind zone alert as well as the turn signal indicator, roof rails up top, rear tinted windows. The door handles have intelligent access, so as long as you've got the key fob on you, push that silver button to lock or unlock the doors. The rear window wiper and washer, as well as the power lift gate. We're able to pop that open with the push of a button. The trunk, we've got some cargo hooks, a power plug-in, and a small storage compartment located down below. Last, we'll take a look inside the back of this 6-passenger crossover. You'll notice there's lots of head and leg room for those passengers riding in the back. The passenger door has got a cup holder and power windows. The backs of both front seats have got seat pockets. We've got a rear sunroof. On the back of the center console are the climate control buttons, heated rear seats, some USB and power plug-ins. To gain access to the third row, use the center aisle or pull the lever located on the top of the seat to engage the slide technology. In the rear, we've got 2 additional seats, some cup holders, and a USB plug-in. So come take a look at the 2021 GMC Acadia Denali today, or you can visit us online anytime, anywhere at westerngmcbuick.com.